Howdy everyone, welcome back to another video on the Keebs YouTube channel, and today we're going to be reviewing this cute little light blue, let's let it focus, key-switch. Yeah, there we go. And it's, it's a cute little linear switch. Let's go. Likes for the cute little linear switch guy. Anyways, before we get into reviewing the switch, I'd just like to remind you that only a small percentage of y'all are actually subscribed, so please subscribe if you haven't already. Also, like the video and leave a comment. The last thing is that you should join my Discord because we have a very cool community there that will most likely be very helpful to you if you're very new to the community, because they always have tips, what switches you should buy, what keyboard you should buy, etc. Also, make sure to check out all my affiliate links in the description because, all of those will be very, very useful. You guys can probably find a very good deal on switches, a keyboard, anything keyboard related. Okay, so let's talk about the switch I have right here in my hand. Well, put it up to the camera. See, when is it gonna focus? Focus. Okay. So this is the Panghu GiantV5 switch, and this switch is a very, very smooth linear with a long pole. And the thing that makes it very interesting is that the top housing and stem are both made of white, which is something you don't see in a lot of switches because a lot of manufacturers I've talked to personally, I'm actually a business owner. I'm trying to get into this market right here, making my own custom switch project. They told me a white top and stem could not be done, and this company somehow did it. So honestly, I'm very interested on how these things are going to sound. I already know how they sound. This is, future me doing the intro. But, I thought I'd just do that for the video. I over-explain a lot of things. It's 5 a.m. But, yeah. The company that actually got me into these switches are, the suppliers at Lubed Keyboard Supply. They are actually my affiliate for this video. They specifically asked me to review like a certain set of switches, and this is the one I chose. And honestly, you guys should go check out their switch selection because honestly, I don't really see some of these switches on the market that often. Like, who's ever heard of the Vermilion Bird switches? I know for sure I haven't. So please go check out their website, use my affiliate link, and use my affiliate code. It is in the description. Please go check them out. They are a very nice company that is located very close to me, and honestly, they're pretty cool. Okay, so I know you guys are all dying to hear the sound test, so I actually have a stock and lubed sound test for you guys to listen to. So that's probably going to be the end of the video after those sound tests, so I might as well mention now, if you guys made it to this point in the video, put hashtag Bix is a Keeb God in the comment section if you made it to this point. And just overall, enjoy the sound test. Bye.